Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access your Hostgator email account. Whether it's for managing your website communications or keeping your professional emails organized, this quick guide will make it super simple. First, open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you use, and head over to www.hostgator.com. This is your hub for everything related to your Hostgator account, including email access. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click it and enter your login details, your email address, and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Hostgator makes it easy to reset with just a few clicks. After logging in, you'll land on your Hostgator dashboard. Here, everything you need is at your fingertips. Look for the section labeled Professional Email and click it. This will take you to your email control panel where you can access and manage your emails. If it's your first time here, follow the setup instructions to create your mailbox. Make sure to adjust settings like spam filters, forwarding, and signatures so everything works exactly how you want. HostGator's knowledge base can help if you run into any questions along the way. To keep your email running smoothly, check your dashboard regularly. Keep an eye on storage limits, archive important messages, and always make sure your login details stay secure. And that's it. You're now ready to access your HostGator email and stay connected without any hassle. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. See you in the next video.